welcome back. As you can see, we got some bags. It's a little damage to my bank account, but what else is new? Let's just move these out of the way. In case you haven't heard, like the last week, two weeks? Whatever. Payless and Charlotte Russe announced that they were going out of business, bankrupt, whatever. So I decided I was going to take an opportune moment and purchase some things for a discounted price because you're never going to get them again. To be fair, I've never really shopped at Charlotte Russe very much before, maybe twice before in my life, so I wasn't honestly too heartbroken about that, but they did have some cute stuff, so I wasn't too mad about it. But Payless I'm heartbroken over. I honestly have bought most of my shoes from Payless and I'm crushed. My favorite kinds of sneakers are from Payless and I'll never be able to repurchase them again, and I'm a little upset about it, and by a little I mean a lot, so I really needed to do this because I was even part of their rewards program, and that's just that. It's all gone now. I'm sad. That was the Payless, literally, like, okay, a size 6 shoe, which is me, it's a little hard to find, especially for, like, a variety, because, like, most shoe stores get very, very limited amount of size of small sizes. Like, you're gonna have plenty of your 7s, your 8s, and your 9s for women's because that is the most generic size, but like 6 is hard to find, bigger sizes are hard to find. It's kind of a bummer. I really do struggle because I'll find a really cute pair of shoes and be like, oh, let me find this, and then it's never in my size. So, like, you can order online, but that doesn't help me because then I don't really know if it actually fits, so it's a bit of a bummer. So I decided to do one last hurrah and get a bunch of stuff. So without further ado, let's get on into this going out of business shopping spree. Disclaimer before we get into this, I'm not going to try anything on. I already have tried it on, so I know it fits me, I know it looks okay, but I'm not in a current setup where I'd be able to film full body shots at this point. The last time I did that, it was at my boyfriend's apartment, but I'm not there right now. I'm at home, so unfortunately, you're just gonna have to make do with me holding it up. We hit up Charlotte Russe first. Did some damage, but I will tell you what I paid for everything because I'm the kind of person who likes to know prices. So I just assume someone else out there is like me. But all in all, with the 4 items that I purchased, I spent a total of $52. Everything was, for the most part, 30% off, except for the one item that was $25. So pretty much everything was like 30% off, which isn't bad, but if you're going out of business, I guess I kind of expected a little bit lower, so I was a little bit salty on that, but I could see that they pasted stuff over the signs, so clearly it had been less of a percentage at some point, and it's going up now because they're just trying to get rid of everything. But I do believe by like the end of March, probably both stores are going to be like gone. So if you are just now finding out, go shop, go get some stuff on good deals, although it's a madhouse. Charlotte Russe was an absolute, like, savagery is the best word for it. Everything was just completely thrown on, like, inside out on hangers, on the floor. There was no sense of anything on any rack. It was really hard to find things. Thankfully, I'm a size small for the most part, and apparently a lot of the stuff there was a size small, so it was actually really easy for me to like find things. It's just unfortunately, like, I walked into the fitting room with like a chunk of stuff, but I only left with 4 items. because they just didn't look good on me, and if I was only, you know, it'd be better if I was paying less than I probably would have maybe, but still for 30% off, I was like, eh. The first item I got, which is kind of like just a cute little bralette. Actually, I didn't pick this up originally. There weren't any in my size. And this woman in front of me sat it down because she decided that she didn't want it anymore. So I picked it up. This was the item that was, nope, this was 30% off. I paid $6.99 for this. So I'm not too mad, but I like the long, you know, like lacy part, see-through part through that. So I think it's cute. I love me a bralette. That's just me. They're very comfortable. The next item I got, which is honestly my favorite, is this pair of pants. They are extremely long, but like you have to wear heels with them pretty much is what I've established. But I got these in a size small. They have an elastic band on the back, and then the front looks like it's just like solid, and then it has a little bow that you can tie. Very cute. It also has pockets, which was it basically sealed the deal for me. But I paid for these pants. I paid $18.89, so they're still a little pricey, but they were originally $26, so that's some money off. But they're absolutely nice. Like, these would be like my special occasion pants, because since I have to wear heels, can't really wear them to work, so they're really nice. I love them. Then I got animal print. I usually like look what I'm wearing right now, okay? I'm wearing a black t-shirt and some dark gray leggings. I am not a woman of color. I do not wear patterns unless it's like a stripe. I just don't. But for some reason I gravitated towards anything that was color or pattern during the shopping experience. But I got this nice pair. They're absolutely soft, extremely stretchy. Pretty much think like leggings, but in a flared high-waisted pant. So, very nice. Very happy. They also make my butt look great. Like, great. Like, 10 out of 10. Very excited. These I did pay, let's see. Originally, they were $19.99. I paid $13.99, so that's not bad. I do have like a really cool patterned one from like Walmart that I love. That is like the same kind of material, but they're very soft. So I'm very excited about these too. These I can actually wear to work, although the leopard print might be a little loud, but who cares? I might just go for it anyway. And then last thing that I got at Charlotte Russe is this absolutely amazing bodysuit. I have never purchased a bodysuit before in my life. I will just say that. I have, for the size that I am, I have a very long torso, so it's very hard for me to find like one-piece swimming suits or like bodysuits, anything like that. It's a challenge for me to find something that doesn't make me feel like I'm stretching it this way. This shirt I did not have that problem with. It fit like a glove, like perfect, absolutely. Didn't stretch out, it wasn't too baggy. We actually went back out and we searched to see if there's any more of these in any other colors, and we did find a black and white one, but it was in a size medium, and that is just not gonna fit me. But this was 25% off. This was the one that was 25 and not 30. And I paid $12.74. Half the letters cut off. Half the numbers cut off. This is extremely soft, and I honestly didn't think I would look good in this color. Like, it's picking up brighter on camera at this point, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Can I pull it off? Can I pull off this color? I mean, I can't return it, obviously, at this point, but I think with the red hair, I think I can think I can have this moment, and I'm really excited about it. But yeah, so that's what I got at Charlotte Russe. Let us move on to Payless. Alright, Payless. My experience there was pretty much the same as usual, except there was more people. Completely unlike Charlotte Russe. Everything was nice, sat on the shelf beautifully. They had people going around like fixing it constantly because of the amount of customers in the store was insane. One lady apparently was liking the shoes that I was trying on. I made them stay with me like the whole time, so that way then this lady wouldn't take them. But, because there's only one in my size, like, come on, I will literally fight you for these shoes, okay? Like, I don't think you understand. It was way better than the Charlotte Russe experience, because in Charlotte Russe we had to wait in line for a very long amount of time. The line was so long, and I was just not having it at that point. But, yeah. So at Payless, I got 4 items again. So I got 8 items in total. And let me try to find the receipt in here. Or there's no receipt. Excuse me. You know, yeah. Where's the receipt? What the heck? I literally saw her put it into the bag. There we go. I found it. No one panic. Okay. So, at Payless, I dropped about $46. So, in total, it was honestly, you know, round up with the change. I spent $100 yesterday on going out of business sales. I don't regret anything. I really don't. So, out of random things that I purchased, I did get this cute little weekly planner. It says things will work out on it. Can you see that? Nope, too bright. There we go. Things will work out. It's very cute. It's a weekly organizer instead of like a planner. So you flip it open to the inside. And can you see here? It has like your week on it and you can write in here. Then it has a whole bunch of sticky notes and like a little like file thing to keep some stuff in. But this is absolutely perfect for work for me because I need a better way to organize how I'm running my week. I'll forget to do things and I'll be like, oh, I need to do this on Friday, and then I don't. And then I'm like, poop, didn't do it on Friday. And then I gotta try to remember the next week. So this will be really handy for me. And I paid, can I find it? I paid $5.99 for this little thing. So really not mad at that. There are like 70 sheets. So that's a lot of weeks. Then some basic thing. I picked up some socks because who doesn't need more tiny socks? I prefer socks where you can't see them. I don't have any sneakers that look good with socks showing, so I get these baby socks. And some of them are starting to wear out, so this was a really good purchase. And these I ended up paying for $4.89, so that's not bad for a 3-pack of socks. Oh, and to mention, everything in Payless was 30% off as well, so wasn't too awful. Except for the planner, that was 40% off. And if you got like their boots, those were also 40% off. So the whole main reason that I really went to Payless is because my favorite sneakers are from Payless. And lo and behold, I got the last pair in my size of a color I didn't have. So I have well yeah, it's these. I love these. I live in these kind of shoes like you wouldn't even understand. I have all these other kinds of like sneakers, but these are the things that I always go towards because they look so cute with skinny jeans. They look so cute with like skinny dress pants that I wear to work. So I just make a whole outfit out of these. I have a gray pair, a navy blue pair, and now I own red. So I'm happy. And these sneakers I paid $13.99 for, so I was just really excited because these are my babes. I'm happy now. But now I have to get rid of like a pair of sneakers or something to like find a home for these because I was not really anticipating on buying new shoes at this point. And then the last pair of shoes of anything that I purchased were these beautiful Christian Siriano. I'm probably butchering that too. Whatever. But it's these cute little, I don't know if the color will pick up that great, but they're like a light, very light pink, almost nude. Cute little mules. Like, look at these. Oh, I would show you them on my feet, but I need like a pedicure or something, so we're not even gonna go there. But I love the chunky heel. They are so comfortable. My foot does not feel like it's gonna fall out, which really was my concern with trying to get anything like these. But yeah, I'm really happy, and Tony voted for these because I was debating between these and another pair of heels, but I don't own anything like this, so I'm very excited. And they will actually go so cute with that pair of pants that I picked up, the floral print ones. Now I just need a top and then I'll be good to go. But for those shoes, I ended up paying $20.99 because they were definitely more on the expensive side, but I'm really happy with them. That is my going out of business haul. I do want to say thank you to my absolutely amazing boyfriend for sticking with me, tagging along, coming shopping with me during the madhouse that this event was. But I had a lot of fun. I picked up items that I normally would never pick up, so I definitely branched out in that aspect. But yeah, I spent about $100 in total for 8 items, which isn't too bad. I'm not mad at that. I usually thrift, so it's a little bit more of a gouge for me, like a price gouge. I'm like, oh, thanks. That hurts my soul a little bit. But yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, hit subscribe. If you want to be notified when I post, hit the notification bell. I do post every Monday, and if there's something that you think that I should try or DIY, comment down below. Let us know. If you purchased anything during these nice madhouse times of going out of business sales, let me know. What did you get? Tell me. I like to know those kind of things. I'm nosy. Listen, I'm just a nosy person in general, so that's just my problem. But if you haven't, I would highly suggest going because, you know, I mean, you'll probably have less options at this point, but it's fine. The price discount will probably go deeper as it goes closer to the actual closing of the store. But yeah, that was what I did. So hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. Okay, thanks. Bye. Hello. And welcome back. Nope. I did. Oh my god, I have something in my eye. I stabbed myself with the mascara wand. So my eye's been a little wonky since that. Okay, let me start that over. I ended up, I spent about $100 in total and got 8 items. So in my opinion, pretty good. That averages to like what? I don't know. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? I can't even do math in my head. Why am I even attempting? Thanks to my lovey. I can't talk today.